In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn on severe weather alerts on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is launch the weather app for your iPhone. It comes pre-installed on the iPhone. So just launch that weather application. And then if you look in the bottom right corner, you should see this 3-line menu. So tap on it, and that shows the weather for different areas that you're looking at. So what you want to do is select, or rather tap on the 3-dot button in the top right corner and select notifications. And then you'll see this new option here saying introducing severe weather alerts. So all you have to do now is tap on continue. That's if this is the first time. Now, before the weather application can alert you on severe weather or send you severe weather notifications, you have to allow the weather app to access your location information continuously. So you'll be prompted here, so you can go into settings, and for the weather app you have to allow always. Okay, you have to set it to always so that the weather app always has your precise location, so it can be able to notify you when there is severe weather. So once you enable that, you can now go back, and now you can see severe weather alerts has been enabled. So that's basically how to enable or how to turn on severe weather alerts on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.